guys, it's Dystany Spurlock here. For those of you who don't know me, I am a motorsports racer, and I say motorsports because I not only drag race motorcycles, I also race cars, and guess what? If it has an engine, I'll race it. But I'm gonna talk about these items that I have behind me and let you know what I'll be doing today. So first and foremost, we have to start with the tools. So I got this awesome tool set made by Klutch from Northern Tool and Equipment, and this thing has everything. It's over 100+ pieces, and I'll be using this today to work on this baby. So what is this baby, right? So I will be racing NHRA Prostock Motorcycle this year, and this is my Gen 1 motor for my NHRA Prostock Motorcycle Buell that I will be racing. And I have to take this engine cradle off today because we have to do some swapping of engine cradles on engines because yeah, we just need this one on another motor. So I'll show you how I'll be doing that today. So let's go. Y'all, so this camera angle is weird. Let's get started and getting the tools out that I'll be needing to take this engine cradle off. Let's get it. All right, so I know I'll be needing some additives. Yeah, need these. Yeah, gonna need these. And I might need any size wrench because I might need this to help me with these. And another reason why I like this, I can use it as a stool. We got one off. This motor is extremely heavy, guys, extremely heavy. All right, gotta go back into the Klutch tool chest because now I have to get a socket. So let's find the size. So this engine weighs more than me ×2. So now I have to do a little maneuvering to be able to get the engine cradle out. So let's see how this goes. Voila! And we have an engine cradle. All right, so now I have to put pretty much everything that I just took off. I have to put it back on so that way everything's still assembled properly, and when it comes time for me to have to move the motor, I know where every piece and part and nut and bolt is. So let's put it back on. All right, y'all, so there you have it. My motor here is now engine cradleless. This will be going on another one of my motors. My awesome Klutch Tool Set that I got from Northern Tool and Equipment definitely helped me a lot because I needed tools to get done what I needed to do, right? To get done what I needed to do. to do what I needed to get done. There we go. There we go. So, like I said, it also makes a great seat. So for all of you all that want to keep up with me on my NHRA Prostock Motorcycle journey, feel free to follow me on my website, which is Dystany Spurlock. All of my social platforms is Dystany Spurlock. And I hope you love what you've seen here. There'll be a lot more of this on my channel, and I want you guys to see what it's like behind the scenes. And yes, I do work on my stuff. I'm not the only one. I do have a team, but there are things that I do. And as you see, I like to get my hands dirty. So until next time, see y'all soon.